how to change your Facebook page name. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Facebook page name. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. Now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you can just tap on the downward arrow just beside your name at the top. And now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear with a list of all the pages that you have created so far. So from here, you can just tap on the pages that you want to switch to. Now here, once you have switched with the page, what you can do is you can just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen again. Now here, from the pop-up menu, simply scroll down and select settings and privacy. And now here under settings and privacy, just tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as page setup. So just tap on it. And now here, once you're inside the section, just select name, and after that on the next page you can see your page name at the name box. Now here, to change it, you can just tap on the name box and change it according to your needs. And now here, once you're done with it, you can just tap on review changes and you can just tap on submit for approval. And now here, with that, it will take for you some time to get updated on the name, but remember that once you have changed the name, you can't change the Facebook page name up to next 60 days. And that's it. That's how you can change your Facebook page name. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.